Okay, outdoor temperature, I'll go this way. Outdoor temperature is 61, interior desired temperature, I've got a 68. Fan is set, climate control is set to automatic. Let's see if we can turn that off. Here we go, power switch. Okay, now power switch is off. I'm going to turn that back on again. And that's automatically selected speed. And if I bring the interior desired temperature to match the exterior desired temperature, evidently I must have been at 68 because it's struggling to cool. I'm going to bring it back down to looks like temperature must be around 70, because if I go to 69 it gets louder, and 68 even louder still. So if I brought it to 70, I guess because the sun is shining, still got pretty significant fan noise. And turning it off. There we go. There's your difference.